Hello, folks. I'm Gordon Brewer from the Practice of Therapy blog and podcast.
And I'm Julie Harris from GreenOak Accounting.
And we're so happy to invite you to join us for a new webinar that we're doing on how to make money in your private practice. So, Julie, tell folks a little bit about what they can learn in this.
So in the webinar, it's on September 13th at 12 Eastern. We will learn 3 ways to increase profit in your practice. We'll also talk about some common mistakes that we see many new practice owners make. And we'll also talk about ways that you can become a financial expert in your business.
And one of the things that Julie's going to share is a lot of the expertise that she has learned from some of the top achievers in private practice. What else are they going to learn in this, Julie?
One of the best parts of being in private practice is that you are in control of how much you earn. So we're going to talk about how you can increase your earning potential. So Gordon, who is this webinar for?
Yes, so this is going to be a great webinar for those that are just getting started in private practice or thinking of getting started, or also for those people that really just want to have a better understanding of their finances in their practices. And this webinar will walk you through some of those basics and really help to give you an understanding of those things.
And we're also reserving lots of time at the end for questions and answers, so we're hoping that you'll bring your questions.
So in order to register for the webinar, be sure and click the link below to register your spot. There is limited seating for the webinar, so be sure and grab your spot. And again, it's September the 13th at 12 noon Eastern Time. Looking forward to seeing you there.
See you there, everyone.